Hello everybody, so today we are actually going to go over the old Brookhaven update, which was from 2 weeks ago, and we're also going to do the new one here in this video. So before we do start, like, comment, share, do whatever, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another video like this, And now, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're going to start with the old update, the construction update, which was exactly 2 weeks ago. And we're going to go over it. So if we scroll all the way down here, all the way down here to the construction zone. Alright, here is the construction zone. Alright, so alright, here it is. It's like the almost finished house, but I'm gonna go over all of these over here, but I gotta wait another 45 seconds before I can actually activate it. So, I'll show you the vehicles. Alright, so if you go into the vehicle items, you scroll down until you see these two vehicles. Here they both are. Alright, here is the digger. Alright, how this works is you pull this up. If you click this on top of the bulldozer, you can actually scoop up the dirt. But okay, and here is the second vehicle, the bulldozer. So again, same concept on the top. So there we go. As you can see, it moves when you click the button. That's cool, right? Alright, so how much more time do we got on the thing? Alright, here we go. Starting from the dirt path. Alright, here it is. So, what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to use this vehicle to scoop up the dirt here. And, yeah, basically you got to go around, scoop the dirt up. So, you have to scoop up the dirt in order to create this house. So, as you can know, or as you see here, we are scooping up the dirt. We're clearing it out to put in new layerings. Oh, good. Okay, so when we're done clearing this whole thing out, we are going to move on to the second thing of it. So let me scoop this up and then we'll be on our way. Just go over it randomly. So yeah. Alright, let's clear this up. Okay, got it. For some reason, these over here don't want to get scooped up. that's fine. Alright, we are almost done, so we can move on to the second part. Alright, let's scoop it up. Okay, and we are done. So, here is the second one. Right over here. Here is the first crane right here. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know where that was. But anyways. If we get on top of the crane right here, the first crane, you come down here to sit, and then you pull your thing down to where you want it. So, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. Put it wherever it needs to go, so it's gonna go over some. Then we put it all the way down, per se. So, yeah, this one doesn't really do anything. It's just, you place it down. Doesn't actually really do nothing here. So, it doesn't actually let you place it down, but you can definitely change it, as you can see I am doing right now. And, so yeah, there's that one. And now if we come over here, third one, same thing with the crane, but except the walls are already put together. So if we come back up here on the crane, up here on the crane, we come over here and we go and place this down so we can wait, I feel like that's too far, too far, too far. Right about there. So then, yes, that's just the outline of it. So, yeah, same concept. You could change it. Will you even care? Well, I know you guys care. But, anyways, we're getting sidetracked. And, yeah, so as you can see, there is a helicopter flying around here. What the heck? Get out of here, helicopter. See you later. Anyways, fourth one is this one. The one that loaded in the very first... the first one that loaded in. So as you can see, we have the outlines done. And now we just gotta fix some stuff around. Like, I'm just gonna go on a roof and I'm just gonna hammer all the things down that needs to get hammered. Where's the hammer? Where the heck is the hammer? You guys see the hammer anywhere? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Okay, so just hammer in the stuff that needs to get hammered in. Okay, let's do this, that, Alright, everything is hammered in. And now we go on to the third one, and it doesn't actually let you go through these. You have to do that, like, somewhere else. Yeah, it won't let you. There's, like, an invisible wall there. Don't ask me why there's an invisible wall. What is going on with my thing? Anyways, weird things are going on. That's what. Oh, yeah, this is, like, the backyard over here. So, yeah, I can come in through here. And where's the thing? Alright, here it is. Alright, we're going on to the fifth one, I think. Yep, there we go. The half-finished house. And there's this dude up here, like, dude, I'm trying to do a video. Could you just stay over your territory? Alright, so, this is the half-finished house. And as you can see, we have a toilet here, a sink here, and 2 bathtubs / showers. So yeah, you can actually turn on these lights over here. Let's just turn on these lights. That's if it'll let me. Okay, I guess it won't. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna put all the stuff in that needs to go in. Let me show you the upstairs and where the safe location is. So if you come up here, through here, this is where the safe location will be. And it's not yet finished, so we don't have it there. We still gotta put in all the stuff. So how do I get out of this section? What am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. Alrighty, now we go on to the sixth and final one, which is the completely finished house. And no, it doesn't come with furniture inside. Nice try. See, as you can see, open house for sale, open house. So, this is where the kitchen and living room will go. Kitchen's already here, so we need the living room yet, and then these doors are open, and then if we come out here, we can actually open these, and we could go swimming in our new pool, which is exciting. So this is like master bedroom here, master bathroom, and we have the toilet over here, which, again, no big deal. So yeah, anyways, this is one of the rooms right here. I'm going to turn off these extra lights so we don't need them. I don't actually need those lights on. Oh, sorry guys, that's my alarm for my other thing that I have to get done. I don't need these lights on, especially this one. Oh god. I'll BRB really quickly, guys. So anyways, guys. So that was the old update, which was 2 weeks ago, like I said earlier in the video. So, on that note, we're gonna end it off here. Now, if you did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, share, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video like this. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out, everybody, and goodbye.